Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into a bit of a controversial topic, the Toyota Verossa. This car gets a lot of flack for its looks, but it packs a secret weapon under the hood, the legendary 1JZ engine. So, is the Verossa a true JDM legend, or is it the ugly duckling of the JZ family? Let's find out. Alright, let's not beat around the bush. The Verossa isn't exactly a looker. Some folks call it the ugly duckling of the Toyota family. The headlights are a bit droopy, the taillights, well, let's just say they're unique. But hey, beauty is in the eye of the beholder, right? Maybe it's just got that quirky charm. Now forget the looks for a second. Here's where the Verossa gets interesting. Tucked away under that hood is the mighty 1JZ engine. This legendary power plant is known for its tuning potential and bulletproof reliability. We're talking about a rear-wheel drive platform with a turbocharged 1JZ. In the right hands, this thing can be a serious sleeper. Because of its affordability and the 1JZ's potential, the Verossa has become a bit of a cult classic in the drift scene. With some mods, you can turn this unassuming sedan into a sideways machine. Plus, compared to the other 1JZ cars like the Supra or the Chaser, the Verossa can be a much more budget-friendly option for getting into the world of performance Toyotas. So, is the Verossa worth it? Here's the deal. If looks are your top priority, this might not be the car for you. But if you're looking for a fun, affordable project car with a legendary engine and a surprising amount of potential, the Verossa deserves a closer look. It might not be the prettiest, but under that quirky exterior lies a true JDM sleeper. Let me know in the comments below what you think of the Toyota Verossa. Is it a misunderstood masterpiece or just plain ugly? Also, what other ugly duckling cars with great potential would you like to see featured on the channel? Hit that subscribe button and smash that like button to stay up to date on all things JDM. Thank you guys for watching, and until next time, have a good one. Bye.